Welcome back to PointLab Studio. Today I'll be talking about how to redirect certain pages on your website to specific pages you like to show on search engine and for people to have access to. So basically, many people used to have issues with HTTP to HTTPS redirection. They don't know how to set it up, and sometimes when you go to search engine, you would see different pages. You see some pages that are based on HTTP and you see some pages that are not based on HTTP but the same content. It is usually caused by the fact that there is no redirection, and this is even more common with Yandex search engine. So very quickly I'll be talking about and I'll be showing you how to set up redirection on your WordPress website. So stay tuned and enjoy it. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using one of our websites, which is pointlabstudio.co. pointlabstudio.co. As you can see, it's a WordPress website, and as such, it will be perfect for this tutorial. So first, you go to your dashboard. This is dashboard. Then from the dashboard, you go to plugins and add new plugins. After clicking on add new, it takes you to the add plugins page. Then all you have to do is search for redirection. And this is the plugin we are looking for. All you have to do right now is to click on install now and activate. So after activating, you need to go to the plugin and click on settings. So let's set up our plugin, redirection plugin. Now this is the page and it's going to show you different things, but I'm used to the plugin, so all I have to do right now is click on start setup, and it takes you to another page where it asks you to monitor permalink changes in WordPress posts and pages. I think it's important I monitor it, so I am going to check those spots and continue the setup. Now let's finish the setup. Finished. So version 5.1 installed. Please read the release notes for details. I don't think this is important right now. Now all you have to do is going to take you to this page. So if you want to donate to the founder of or the company that built the plugin, you can actually use this page. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's go to redirect. And this is the log. This is where you see the log of your redirection. But basically, you click on add new. Now on this add new page, there are two URL that you see here: the source URL and the target URL. Now the source URL talks about the URL you would like to redirect to the target URL. Now let's start with the source URL. For example, this site is secured, but there are cases where people might actually want to check the site, and if there is no redirection, they would see the non-secured version. Now to make sure or ensure that they don't go to the unsecured version, all you have to do right now is you come here and you enter the the URL of the unsecured version. pointlabstudio.co. That's the HTTP pointlabstudio.co. Then we are redirecting it to the HTTPS pointlabstudio.co. Now after typing this, you would see there is a column here for ignore parameters, ignore and pass parameters to the target. You don't really, once you click on the exact match in any order, it should fix the problem. Then after this, the target URL, you enter the details and click on add redirect. Now after adding the redirect, let's scroll down. You can see it here. Let's check if it's correct. As you can see, check redirect for, it is correct. So expected and found, and that is it. So it's perfect and this is good for use. Now we have some other stuffs that you might want to change. For example, people going to www.printlabstudio.co. I don't want the www to show when they type it. I want it to redirect straight up to the secured version of my website. So what we'll do right now is you come here and you input the details of the secured version, which is the HTTPS Printlab Studio. Now and click on redirect, and this is it. Also, I would like to redirect one more page, which is a possibility. People might actually type this and it won't make sense if it works on their system. I want this page to redirect to the secured version of my site also, which is HTTP, then the www dot I would like this page to redirect to a secured version, and that's it. So let's click on redirect, and that's it. So with these few examples, I want to believe you now know how to redirect certain pages you would like to redirect on your WordPress website. If you have any issues setting up this plugin or setting up anything that has to do with WordPress, please drop a comment. I'll work on it and give you feedback. Thank you for watching my tutorials. I appreciate you, and make sure you subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.